to do a really quick tutorial about how you're going to download the PDF version of your ComEd bill from whoever needs it. All right, so here we go. Let me share my screen. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to ComEd.com. Okay, it's going to bring you to your sign-in page. Put in your email and your password and hit continue. If you forgot your password, just go ahead and hit forgot password. And it's going to go ahead and it's going to send you an email. It's going to send me yet another verification. I guess this is what ComEd does now, right? They just keep sending out these verifications. 600701. Right, 600701. Awesome. So now we're logged in. Perfect. So what it's going to do is going to bring you to your login page. It's going to look something similar to this. Obviously, your information is going to be your information. You're going to go ahead to My Account. You're going to click on My Bill Details. It's going to bring you to this page. It's going to show you your bill details. But what we're looking for is where it says Download Bill PDF. Go ahead and click that. And then just wait for it to download. It's going to pop up down here at the bottom of your page. Then you're going to go ahead and take that all the way over to here, whoever you're sending it to. So I kind of made a little email here to send to my business account. And it's going to say ComEd bill. So whoever you're sending to, ComEd bill. And then you're going to take it and either you're going to drag it and drop it just like that. And or you can hit where it says attach files down here, hit attach files. And then it's going to pop up wherever your attached files are. So then you go ahead and click on it and then hit open, and then it's going to head and attach that file for you. Then you're just going to write a nice little email telling here's the bill. And that is all. So that's all you have to do. So if it's for me, thank you so much for watching and being able to get your bill to send to me. If it's for anybody else, I'm so happy to help. And hey, you know, sometimes things just happen. ComEd has changed over the years. Everything that's happened has changed over the years. So, but keep your email handy just in case you get one of those same little things where you have to put in the code. It seems to happen every time recently. So, all right. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.